In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Perplexity AI research and design presentation slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished slide deck you can present or share using a simple prompt and a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to Perplexity AI. This is the workspace where everything happens. Perplexity is great for quickly turning a research or design topic into clear, structured content, and it can save you a lot of time when you need a presentation fast. Once the page loads, click into the prompt area. You'll see a large input box inviting you to ask a question or describe what you need. That's where you'll give Perplexity the direction for your slides. Now type in your prompt. Be specific and give context so the tool understands your goal. For example, state the topic, the audience, and the purpose of the presentation. Mention how many slides you want, any sections you'd like included, like problem, research method, insights, design concepts, recommendations, and next steps, and the tone you're aiming for, such as professional and concise. If you want references included, say so. You can also note any formatting preferences like short slide titles with 3 to 5 bullet points and brief speaker notes. The more precise you are here, the more on target your deck will be. When your prompt looks good, submit it. Click the submit button or press enter and give it a moment to generate. Perplexity will compile a structured set of slide contents based on what you asked for. As the output appears, scan for a clear flow from introduction to conclusion and check that it addresses your audience's needs and your presentation's objective. After the presentation is generated, preview it to make sure the sections and messaging align with your intent. Look for strong slide titles, scannable bullets, and logical transitions between slides. If something feels off, maybe a section is missing, or a title needs to be crisper, adjust your prompt wording and submit again for a tighter result. When you're happy with the draft, download it as a PPTX file. This gives you a PowerPoint-ready deck you can open in your favorite presentation tool. From there, you can fine-tune visuals, add brand colors and logos, and double-check any data points or citations before presenting. That's it. Go to Perplexity, click the prompt area, type a clear, detailed request, submit, then preview and download as PPTX. With a well-crafted prompt, you'll have research and design slides ready in minutes.